Everyone, this is me Farhad, and first of all, check out this channel. It's making between 10k to 30k per month. Just be posting simple, boring history videos. But here's the crazy part: he's using only one AI tool, and to make all of it. Yes, you had the right. This just one tool, and that tool is CapCut. So today I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of videos and start earning money with your own faceless YouTube channel. Before we begin, don't look at my subscribe account. This channel actually belonged to my one of my team members, but he left, and now I can narrow it. Make sure you subscribe for the more tutorials like this. And now let's start with the process. First of all, go to the link in the description and download CapCut for PC. Alright, so first of all, you can use this channel as a competitor. Now, once you have installed the CapCut, open it up. This is the main interface of CapCut. Here, just you can click on AI Video Maker. Here, just click on AI Video Maker. You see the lots of tools here. Don't get confused. Simply click on Instant AI Video. Next, select your voice video ratio. Depends on what platform you're targeting, like YouTube. Then you will notice there are lots of style, but you only need to choose neoclassic art, Roman arts. After that, you can paste your script right here. Now, let me show you how to find your video topic. Go to the competitor channel again and pick up one of their topics. For example, I'm choosing this one. It's one of the best topic. Just copy the title and paste it into CapCut. Here you can also select your video duration, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or over even 10 minutes. I'm going with 5 minutes for this tutorial. Next, you can choose your voiceover. There's a lots of voiceover available, both male and female. I'm selecting ladies, man, he's best for I think. Now just click on beautiful button, create, and wait for around 5 to 10 minutes, and boom, your video is ready. Now you might notice that some scenes are not created automatically. Don't worry, just click on empty space, then click generate media, and then your missing scene will be created. Next, click on edit more. Here you will see the full editing interface. Now click on effects and search for fire burn. You will see the lots of fire effects showing up. Choose one that's look best and drag into your timeline. Then stretch the effect so it's covered the full length of your video. After that, click on audio and search fire button again and choose one of the sound effect that fits your video. And now just take a look at your video.
How did the Romans, nearly 2000, build something so massive, so complex, and so fast? Let's find out. Construction.
It looks amazing. Finally, click on export, select 1080p resolution and 25 fps for the best quality. Hit export and you are done. I hope you understand everything clearly. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if it's not, you can click on subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.